Hello student, how are you? Welcome to my channel यास्मीन विद लिटरेट। आप आपके लिए लाए हैं एक नया टॉपिक। पैराडाइज लॉस्ट का ग्रैंड एपिक है, बहुत मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है और आप लीजिए देखिए। लेट्स सी। आप चाहें तो इंट्रोडक्शन हेडिंग डाल के कर सकते हैं, इंट्रोडक्शन या दूसरी हेडिंग डाल सकते हैं ग्रैंड एपिक का, और यहाँ तीसरा हेडिंग डाल सकते हैं इमॉर्टलिटी एंड थीम करके। लेट्स सी देखिए। एन एपिक इज़ अ लॉन्ग टेल इन वर्स विद फेमस हीरोज फॉर इट्स प्रिंसिपल्स कैरेक्टर इन describes in an artistic form the many legends of the famous heroes and their achievements. The supernatural elements are introduced in the epic. The language of the poem is noble and grand and softy. The action of the epic is entire and great. There are certain conventions like invocation, epic similes, description of battles, and other thrilling episodes. An epic is generally divided into two books. Milton's Paradise Lost is the greatest and the grandest epic in English poetry. Milton thought of writing an epic the world will not let die. This aim was to write on the theme. Things attempt it in prose or rhyme. Milton was successful in both his aim. His Paradise Lost is immortal and theme of his epic is novel and unique. Homer represents the life of Achilles in his Iliad. Virgil gave expression to the life and culture of romantic in his epic Aeneid. But Milton's theme in Paradise Lost is not the culture of any particular country. It is not an epic of the English people only, but the whole mankind. It has a universal appeal. The aim of the poet is to justify the ways of God to man. Paradise Lost follows the conversation of the classical epic. For example, there is the traditional invocation to the heavenly muse. Sing heavenly muse that on the secret top of Oreb or of Sinai. Dust inspire that shepherd. Then there is traditional preposition, i.e. statement of the theme of man's जो है वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए। ऑफ मैंस फर्स्ट disobedience and the fruit of the forbidden tree, whose mortal taste brought death into the world and all our woe. The action of Paradise Lost is not only long, entire, and grand, but also full of thrilling episodes and description. The fall of Satan and other angels, the fall of Adam and Eve, and their loss of Eden and redemption through Christ are the main episode of Paradise Lost is in hell upon earth And finally, in hell, there is a war in heaven in which Satan is defeated and thrown into hell. He flies from the lake of fire to a solid and regather the fallen angels. Then Satan makes a speech to inspire the fallen angels. They decide to continue war against God by fire means or fall. Finally, Satan succeeds in tempting Eve to eat the forbidden fruit of knowledge. Adam and Eve lost paradise. This in brief in the story in epic. इस स्टोरी में सैटन ने ईव को बहका दिया। एडम ईव को पैराडाइज से गॉड ने अर्थ पे भेज दिया। दी कैरेक्टर इन पैराडाइज लॉस्ट आर ग्रांड एंड impressive. They have dignity and variety. The hero Adam is not a warrior or conqueror, but he is a noble figure. The character of Satan, at least in the book first, is impressive and grand. Satan represent pride, hatred, revenge, great strength, strong will, and determination. A mind not to be changed by place or time. The mind is its own place and itself can make a heaven of hell, hell of heaven. Paradise lost has the supernatural begins like Satan, Beelzebub and other fallen angels like Molech, Typhon and Thomer. Then we'll have God, Christ, Raphael and Michael. Like the classic epics, Paradise Lost is divided into two books. It is divided into 12 books. The style of an epic should be grand and dignified. There is no doubt that the style of Paradise Lost is grand. Milton uses many devices to make the style of Paradise Lost grand. For example, he uses Old English words in their original Latin sense. For example, he uses length for height, stroken for stricken. Milton was a great scholar and naturally there are many allusions to the classical mythology and the Bible. This allusion give grandeur. Milton uses epic or Homeric similes to make the style grand. For example, this is simile to describe large size to Saturn body. Saturn is compared to the sea, this Leviathan. That sea beast Leviathan, which god of all his cooks created lodges that swim the ocean stream. John Dryden rightly remarks that Milton combines the quality of Homer of Virgil in his grand style. Three distant poets in three distant ages born, Greece, Italy, and England, did adorn the first in loftiness of thought surpassed the next in majesty in both the last. The force of nature could not further go. To make a third, she joined the other two. This characteristic make Paradise Lost one of the greatest epic of the world. Milton treated a biblical theme in the grand style of the classical epic. ये है आपका टॉपिक जो मैंने दिया है। अगर आपको और भी कोई टॉपिक चाहे तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और कमेंट्स में जो टॉपिक चाहिए वो आप लिख दीजिए और हम आपको प्रोवाइड कराएंगे। ये बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक था जो ईव और एडम पर था और सैटर्न पर, और इसमें दिखाया है कि कैसे पैराडाइज से एडम और ईव को निकाला जाता है। ओके, अगर आपको ये टॉपिक अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। ओके, बाय।